Do open houses have a place in real estate these days when buyers can get so much information online from those photo galleries, the websites, and social media sites?
Katie Johansson, a real estate agent at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Premier Properties, is here to explain the benefits of open houses for buyers as well as sellers. Welcome back. Great to have you here.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So I'm looking to buy a house. When it comes to open houses, do I need to set an appointment? Can I just show up? What do you suggest?
You know, it depends on the situation. If it is what you think is the perfect house for you, you don't want anybody else to get there, you want to scoop it up, I always will make that appointment right away with my buyers. Get them in there right away and beat anybody else to it. But other times open houses are a really good way to see a lot of different houses. The big benefits of those are you've got more of a time window that you can go, and it's not this strict schedule. It's a little bit less intimidating because you haven't kicked the sellers out of their house and you feel a little bit more pressure that way. You know, it's really low pressure. You can look around at your own pace, kind of drive around, see what neighborhoods you like. There's all kinds of great stuff out there for online for pictures and videos and things, but those are all really almost like window shopping.
Right.
But actually stepping foot into that house, driving around the neighborhood, you're really trying it on. You're trying on the layout, you're seeing what works, what doesn't, what features you like, what features you don't like. And there's just really nothing else like getting in there and seeing it.
You kind of get a better idea of the actual environment, how big things are, what they actually look like in person. But a big question is, when you go to the open house, should you have a real estate agent with you?
You know, you can if you'd like. I'm always happy to go to open houses with my clients. But if for some reason it doesn't work out, or you know, they're comfortable just heading out on their own, I always encourage them to do it. I tell my clients, let the agent at the house know that you are working with a real estate agent, because that way they just kind of know. But if you're not working with an agent, it's a really great way to actually shop for an agent. You know, you can interview different agents, meet different agents, chat with them, and it's just a really good way to find somebody that you're comfortable working with.
Yeah.
So let's say I'm going to be holding an open house. I've got neighbors. Should I do anything to invite them over? Do I tell them, give them a heads up? What do you suggest?
Yeah, we love neighbors. Neighbors are great. Especially, you know, if you're a neighbor and you have a friend or a family member that's looking for a house, what's better than being able to choose your new neighbors? You know, you can get your friends, your family in there, have them be near to you, and that's just really great. And I love chatting with neighbors about the neighborhood, what they love about it. It just gives me another tool when I'm marketing that house. I can say, hey, these are the really great things about this neighborhood. This is why you should buy this house.
A lot of people are busy during the week, so do you have something coming up this weekend? Any open houses people might want to go out to?
Yeah, yep, I'm actually hosting one this Sunday. I have a picture of it here. This is in Fargo. It's right across the street from Bennett Elementary. It's at 1945 58th Avenue South. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's priced at $173,000. So if you think you might be looking for something like that, please come out and see me at it.
Nice. And what's the times?
1 to 2:30. Sorry,
2:30.
right before the Vikings game. So hopefully we get some people out. It's a good distance away from the game. So
maybe they'll watch the game there, and then that way they
That's
can
what you
picture
should do.
themselves in the house.
there we
Yeah,
go. There
throw
we
a big
go.
Vikings bash at the
Maybe
open
it'll be some
house.
sort of pregame on it.
Invite the family
How
over.
can people get a hold of you?
My phone number is 701-870-6385, and my website is makefmhome.com.
Perfect.
Good to have you back.
Thank you.
All right, stay with us. Much more coming up right here on North Dakota Today.